The next thing I remember...
Shocking revelations inside Johnny Depp and Amber Heard court battle. The trial between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard is gaining more and more attention from the public as it has made headlines across the globe, not least because of the explosive testimony so far heard in court. The court case centers around Depp's allegations of assault and defamation they accused each other, which they have both denied. There are also claims that Depp has been physically abusive to Heard, which he denies. Since then, the two have been embroiled in a legal battle, and more details surrounding their relationship have come to light. Despite the couple being no more together, the abuse allegations continue to haunt Depp.
Well, my family have seen more of my movies than I have.
The court battle has been long and costly, with both sides accusing the other of lying. Every day, more information about their tumultuous marriage and their infamous divorce emerges. Johnny Depp and Amber Heard are said to have started dating after he split from his partner, French actor Vanessa Paradis. They are thought to have met on the set of the 2011 film The Rum Diary, in which they both starred. After which, Johnny Depp confirmed they were engaged after a few months of speculation. Depp confirmed it while promoting the film Transcendence. He says, "The fact that I'm wearing a chick's ring on my finger is probably a dead giveaway, not very subtle." In February 2015, the couple married in a private ceremony in Los Angeles. Around this time, Heard also spoke about her bisexuality for the first time, saying that she didn't want to look like I was hiding anything. I mean, it's hard to deny when you Google me. You're going to see a lot of Amber Heard is bisexual, she told Elle magazine. It did take me a long while to come out because I was worried that it would be limiting, she added. I don't want to be defined by one thing. In May 2016, just over a year after they married, Heard filed for divorce from Depp, citing irreconcilable differences. Shortly after, Heard was granted a temporary restraining order against Depp after she accused him of domestic abuse, alleging that he had thrown an iPhone at her face, resulting in bruising and swelling. In her declaration, she said that Depp also screamed at her, hit her, grabbed her face violently, and pulled her hair. As reported by the Associated Press, Heard was seen with a bruise on her right cheek below the eye during a court appearance. During the entirety of our relationship, Johnny has been verbally and physically abusive to me, Heard states in the filing. I endured excessive emotional, verbal, and physical abuse from Johnny, which has included angry, hostile, humiliating, and threatening assaults to me whenever I questioned his authority or disagreed with him. Depp denied the allegations, saying that Heard had been abusive towards him during their relationship. In his declaration, Depp said that it was Heard who had been constantly degrading him and that she had began inventing false accusations to gain a financial settlement. He also claimed that she had physical fights with him on at least 3 occasions and accused her of putting on a cigarette. After months of contentious proceedings, Depp and Heard reached a settlement in their divorce.
Assuming, as with Pirate 6, that those opportunities were lost.
Our relationship was intensely passionate and at times volatile, but always bound by love, the pair said in a joint statement at the time. Neither party has made false accusations for financial gain. There was never any intent of physical or emotional harm. Depp and Heard formally finalized their divorce in January 2017. However, in 2019, Depp filed a lawsuit against Heard because she wrote an article about domestic abuse in 2018. Depp says the article has damaged his career. The op-ed depended on the central premise that Ms. Heard was a domestic abuse victim and that Mr. Depp perpetrated domestic violence against her. The complaint alleges in part calling the claim of domestic abuse categorically and demonstrably false. Depp sued Heard for $50 million in March 2019 after she published an op-ed in the Washington Post. Heard discussed how women are treated in sexual assault cases. She also referred to herself as a public figure representing domestic abuse. Depp said he was dropped from his role in Disney's Pirates of the Caribbean franchise days after publication. "I would be a real simpleton not to think that there was an effect on my career based on Ms. Heard's words, whether they mentioned my name or not," Depp said. In the article, Heard wrote, "I spoke up against sexual violence and faced our culture's wrath. That has to change." She also stated that, like many women, I had been harassed and sexually assaulted by the time I was of college age. But I kept quiet. I did not expect filing complaints to bring justice, and I didn't see myself as a victim. Then, 2 years ago, I became a public figure representing domestic abuse, and I felt the full force of our culture's wrath for women who speak out. The long postponed trial comes after Depp lost a similar suit accusing News Group newspapers, the UK publisher of the tabloid The Sun, of libel in 2020. So many were made by Heard's lawyers tried to get Depp's defamation lawsuit dismissed after he lost the UK case. Still, the judge refused because of the different defamation laws in each country and how Heard was not a defendant in the case against The Sun. Heard then filed a $100 million countersuit against Depp, claiming that he defamed her when his legal team referred to her claims as fake and a sexual violence hoax. Over days, Depp testified about the abuse he faced during childhood, his first encounters with Heard, and how his life changed after the success of Pirates of the Caribbean. Both Heard and Depp have accused each other of physical violence. They both deny the other's claims. In his testimony, Depp said that he never hit Heard and has never hit any woman in his life. He also claimed that Heard was violent towards him, detailing one instance in which his finger was seriously injured after Heard allegedly threw a vodka bottle at him.
They have a little bit of time. There's this sort of moral dilemma, the more,
Depp was questioned about text messages he sent to friends about his drug and alcohol use and discussing violence against Heard. He claimed that they were only a reflection of his dark humor. The first witness was Christy Dembrowski, Depp's older sister and personal manager. She talked about the abuse they faced when they were children. Dembrowski said she recognized the abuse in Heard's relationship with Depp. Several testimonies have been brought to open up about the events between these two individuals. With both having different accounts of what has happened, it is hard to decipher who is telling the truth. As more and more is revealed inside the court battle, it becomes clear that this will not be an easy case to crack. In the cross-examination, Heard's lawyer brought up testimonies from doctors who believed Heard was a victim of domestic violence. The lawyers also showed a video of Heard crying and shaking after an argument with Depp in 2016. Depp's ex-wife Amber Heard has provided new evidence in the case against him, including a photo of her bruised face. Both Heard and Depp have raised valid points in their testimonies, making it hard to determine a winner in this case. With the trial still ongoing, we can only wait and see who will be deemed the true victim in this saga. Heard is expected to take the stand to provide further evidence against Depp in a few days. The trial is still ongoing, and more details are sure to emerge. So far, many significant individuals have been brought up to testify in this case, but the outcome is still unknown.
I'm really a big fan of their music, and I don't know, it's just, I needed something different.
However, it has been reported that Elon Musk, a tech entrepreneur, might be called to testify in the coming days of the trial, who reportedly dated Heard. Apart from Musk, it is expected that actor James Franco, in whom Heard allegedly confided, will be requested to appear. Ellen Barkin, Depp's former girlfriend, could also be called to the stand about Heard's abuse allegations. Paul Bettany could be asked to speak about his messages with Depp, which were revealed in one of the sessions. As more people are brought in to testify, it becomes clear that this case will not be simple. With both Heard and Depp having different accounts of the events, it is hard to decipher who is telling the truth. Overall, this has been an interesting and engaging ongoing court battle between Johnny Depp and Amber Heard. As the trial continues, we can only wait and see what will be revealed next in this case. Do you think Musk and James Franco will eventually come to testify? Let us know in the comment section. Don't forget to subscribe to our channel for more videos like this. Thanks for watching.